In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link TradeNation to TradingView tutorial. By the end, you'll have your TradeNation account connected so you can access it right inside TradingView's interface. Start by opening your web browser and searching for TradingView. In the results, look for the official link that reads TradingView Track All Markets, and click it. This takes you to TradingView's homepage, where we'll access the broker connection tools. Once you're on the homepage, head to the top menu and click Products. This section groups TradingView's features, and the broker connection lives here. Scroll down the page until you reach the area that highlights Broker Integrations. When you see the option to explore available broker connections, click Find Broker. This opens TradingView's Broker Finder so you can quickly locate your provider. In the search field, type TradeNation. You should see TradeNation appear in the results. Click TradeNation to open its dedicated page or tile within TradingView. This page gives you the option to integrate directly, and that's exactly what we want. Go ahead and click Connect. If you aren't currently signed in to your TradingView account, you may be prompted to log in first. After that, TradingView will open a secure TradeNation authentication window. Here's where you authorize the link between your TradeNation account and TradingView. If you're already registered with TradeNation, enter your account email and password, then select Connect Now to grant access. This safely authorizes TradingView to connect to your TradeNation profile. If you prefer using a social login, you can choose to sign in with Google, sign in with Apple, or sign in with LinkedIn. Pick the option that matches how your TradeNation account is set up, follow the on-screen prompts, and complete the sign-in. For security, double-check that the login window is the official TradeNation domain and avoid sharing credentials anywhere else. Once your credentials are verified, the window will close and you'll return to TradingView with the connection active. From here, TradingView can communicate with your TradeNation account so you can manage trading directly within the platform. If anything doesn't link on the first try, ensure pop-ups are allowed for TradingView, confirm you use the correct TradeNation login method, and repeat the connect step. Also, availability can vary by region, so make sure your TradingView plan and TradeNation account support this integration. That's it. Your TradeNation account is now linked to TradingView. Take a moment to confirm the connection, and you're ready to continue your workflow with everything in one place. One